This video is here to help you and remind you how to create more complex sentences. Let's start by reminding ourselves of the key word classes that we would find in most sentences. Nouns. You will always find at least one noun in a sentence. Nouns are names of places, people, or things. You will also find at least one verb in a sentence. These are doing or feeling words. You will often find adjectives in sentences. These are used to describe a noun. And you will sometimes find adverbs in a sentence. These are used to describe a verb. Let's break down this simple sentence by looking for the key word classes that have been included. King Midas gently slumped onto the ancient mountain. In this simple sentence, there are two nouns. King Midas is a noun, that is the name of a character. And mountain is also a noun, that is a place. If a sentence contains more than one noun, you have to always think about which of those nouns is the subject. The subject is the main noun that the sentence is about. In this sentence, the key focus is King Midas because the sentence is describing what he is doing. So King Midas is the subject. There is also one verb in this sentence. The verb is slumped. That is a doing word. There is an adjective in this sentence. It describes the noun mountain. The adjective is ancient. And there is also an adverb in this sentence to describe how King Midas is slumping. The adverb is gently. If you were looking really closely, you may also have noticed that there is a preposition in this sentence. The preposition is onto. We're going to think about taking simple sentences, adding more information and making them complex. As you can see, the sentence is still highlighted in blue. King Midas gently slumped onto the ancient mountain. Because this contains the subject and a verb, this is the main clause of our sentence. I have also added an extra clause for more information. This clause in red does not make sense on its own. Therefore, it is a subordinate clause. As you can see from my second sentence, the subordinate clause does not need to always be at the beginning of the sentence. It can also be added to the end. To separate your main clause from your subordinate clause, you can use a comma.